I tapped stream, but I didn't tap go live. Hold on. Should be on now. Alright, that bit going. Got my mic on. It started as a dream us, they ain't believe in us. Alright. Let me get my phone. Damn. Let me check my Instagram right quick. But I haven't went live in like two weeks. I've been slacking. It started as a dream us, name believing us. Let me go ahead and open up the stream thing, stream deck, shit. Alright. Not the polish, I'll be smarting. But I'll be grinding. Alright, let's see how this look now. My shit ain't working. It's not letting me type on my shit. Let's... Started as a drain us, thing, believe in us. Alright. Is my Wi-Fi adapter on? Alright. Sudo virtual environment / bin / python nsm underscore deauth.py. Boom. Which Wi-Fi deck do you use? I'm using this shit called, I think it's called Realtek. Or no, it's called Alpha Network. I got this bit off of Amazon. Let me know if you want me to drop the link for you, twin. But I got this bit off of Amazon, though. Oh, shit. Yeah, drop me. I got one too, but yours look better. Alright, hold on, I got you, twin. Let me go on my Amazon right quick. Bro, I'm finna buy a Pixel 5 phone and then get another Wi-Fi adapter for that, so I could just do this shit mobile. I can't wait for that shit. Let me go to 2025. I bought this shit a little minute ago. I have to scroll for this. Alright, here it is. I just dropped the link in chat for you, twin. If address not in CLS dot beacons on. Let me see if this works. Boy, I got my shit. Got my shit looking sweet. And that's 7, but this is there. All right. For list index out of range. Okay, so I can't do it like that. Okay. I don't know how else they want me to fucking do it then, bro. Bro. Damn, bro. Alright, I'm gonna have to make a fucking list just for this. Alright. So max. CLS.max. Alright. This should have that bit working now. Yo. Send you over. What can this tool do? I'm so glad you asked that, bro. Hold on. I got you. Alright, so basically, once this shit does its attempt, once it starts sniffing, it's basically gonna sniff all the MAC addresses in the area that's related to a let me explain it like this. So think about it like this, like all the routers in your area, they're all access points, and they throw beacons. They throw frames called beacons, and your phone picks those up, and that's how your phone knows that there's a Wi-Fi router in the area to connect to. My Wi-Fi adapter will sniff those beacons, and I'm gonna parse the packet. I'm gonna parse the frame and look for the MAC address of the router, and I'm gonna take that and make a packet with that MAC address and send it to all the devices on that network. And within that frame, it's gonna tell them to disconnect. I don't know if I explained it good, but that's how it worked. Let me know if you need me to go more in depth. So boom, basically like this, right? So these are all the Wi-Fi networks in my area. But we come over here to, oh, actually I can't even look at it through. Oh yes, I can. So this is my other, well, I got 2 adapters in my computer. So this is my other one. See, these are all the adapters in my area, all the routers in my area, and you can see it over here. So we got the MAC address and the vendor. So now I could just choose which one I want to attack. Hold on, let me think about, will this fuck up my stream? Yeah, it will fuck up my stream because I'm not on the wired connection. Hold on, let me. Alright, so I'm finna. Damn. Will I disconnect myself? Alright, let me see. Alright, cool, I'm straight. Alright, so boom. We finna use my phone as an example. Let me pull this bitch up. Alright, so let me pull up my OBS Studio so I can see what I'm showing y'all boys. Alright, so look. This my phone right here connected, right? So hope y'all can see it connected. So we finna go ahead and tap. What am I connected to? Jabari 5. So it's right here. And this is actually my first time testing it with the newer version I made. So hopefully I set it up right. Hold on. Exceptionary maximum error is given. And, oh shit. I gotta update the code that I made to it. But it works though, trust. I did this shit last night. I just added a UI so it's cleaner. Let me come over here. Where is it? Data, gnome. I'm pretty sure I have it set to once. I have it set to 1. And then while true. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm finna show the attack. Use MS Paint to explain law. Alright. That's actually a good idea. Hold on. Alright, so look. So this is a Wi-Fi router. And this is a Wi-Fi router. And this is a Wi-Fi router. Now all of these Wi-Fi routers are sending, they're not called packets, but they're called frames. Cause in order for you to receive a packet, you gotta be connected to the same, or you gotta be on the connect them through the internet, which this is not that. So they send frames going like this. Boom, 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 boom. And so boom, now that they sent frames, so this is your phone, right? This is your phone. This is your computer. This is your computer, this is your phone. And these frames are being sent to, they're basically being broadcast so anybody can see them. So your laptop can now see it, your phone can now see it, and your phone and laptop is gonna take that and go like, okay, so this router with so-and-so name and so-and-so MAC address and so-and-so signals available to connect. And that's exactly what this Wi-Fi adapter is doing. This is inside every device, but like it's just way smaller though. Like your phone got something like this, just smaller. But your phone is, you're not able to manipulate it like I'm going to be able to. So let me see. I got this hood music playing. Let me turn this shit off. So let me come over here. All right, so let me see if I fixed it. So, all right. All right, so let me come back over here. Phone connected. And 17. So let's see. Let me scroll down a little bit. And look, you see my phone disconnected? Let me pull it back up. I'm not even on the Wi-Fi no more. Phone disconnected. And then watch when I end it. Look, I'm gonna close the program. And watch my phone be able to connect my hand over here. I don't even know it's gonna connect automatically, but we disconnected it from the Wi-Fi. So let me go like this right quick. And I'm gonna tap. I'm gonna connect back to it. And now I'm gonna come back over here. Actually, I probably should try to connect to while the program is running so y'all can see. Hey, but hopefully that presentation made sense though. These are the routers, and these are the nodes, which is your device. We're gonna call them nodes. It's basically anything that can connect to the internet. Let me make another node. Is this? Oh shit. Why the fuck is this bitch so damn skinny, bro? Okay, come over here, bro. All right, cool. All right, so we're gonna make another phone over here. We're gonna make a TV down here. And then we're gonna make We'll make some headphones over here. And so all these blue lines are frames, and they're flowing through the area, and all of these devices, which we're referring to as nodes, can receive those. Alright, now, bruh. Alright. I should make it a feature to automatically do another one. Bro, your project going straight, Sebastian, bro? Oh, that's epic. Yeah.
My shit's straight, yeah.
Alright, cool.
You hear me?
Yeah, I heard you. Cool. We in this bit, man.
You hear me?
Yeah, I heard you, twin. Is my mic tweaking some shit?
Because you muted the Discord, but I just got your stream notes.
Wait, I muted the Discord?
Now, your mic on Discord, I can't hear you. Yeah.
Talk.
I can see your stream. I'm just watching your stream right now.
Oh, dude, I had my shit muted. I did not know I muted my shit. What the fuck?
Yeah. Nah, I got what's it called, but I got your stream up anyway, so I heard you.
Okay, cool then, bro. I did not know my shit was
Yeah.
tweaking like a bit.
Right now, I'm just making the username and password program right now.
Oh, that's what's up. W explanation. Would it be a buffer overflow attack? Then, nah, I wouldn't call this a buffer overflow. That's more like on a system level. This is on layer 2. Or denial. Yeah, I'd be marking denial of service. So I'm gonna do it again. So boom, right? We got phone connected. And I'm gonna go like this. If I go like this, will it reverse? Yeah, it will. I bet. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna come over here. 21. I'm waiting for the shooter. Automatically disconnected. Look at that. Look, my phone trying to reconnect too. Can't connect. I'm gonna try to tap it myself. Alright, look, it reconnected. And watch what happens. Disconnected again. Hey, bro, this bit lit as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I fought with this shit. Disconnected. Reconnected. Disconnected. My program fucking shit up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let's fucking go! Bro, Sebastian, we do this shit, bro. We do this shit, nigga. On some real shit, though, bro. Alright, let me stop this attack for people in my house. Alright. So I have the module to sniff targets, to parse the packets, to choose the target, and then to attack the target in the main method that runs it all. So now I think I'm going to, first of all, I'm gonna pull up my screen. I think I'm gonna make it so I want to add a hello message. Yeah. Do I want to do it within this program? Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it within this. Static method def welcome UI. This method. Hey, bro. So since you was in the stream, like, is there music playing or is it just low as hell?
Nah, well, I just muted the stream because you got this going on. Hold on. Let me mute you and do Discord real quick. Try to mute the stream.
All right. That bit playing.
I can barely hear music pretty straight.
Should I turn it up though?
I mean, shit. I mean, if you want, like, it's kind of just like background music type shit.
All right, good. Thanks. That's kind of what I was going for. All right, that's fire. Yes, sir. Bro, I'm finna get. Look, I'm gonna show you some shit. Alex, look. So boom. So look at this, bro. So if we get a Pixel 5, we'll be able to run Linux on this phone and run this exact program on it. And to be able to go into monitor mode, you need a Wi-Fi adapter that has that. And your phone comes with a Wi-Fi adapter, but not with the one that goes to the monitor mode. So we're finna get one. And then I'm gonna buy this cable so I could connect it. I could connect the USB through here, and through here I connect to the phone. So I'm gonna be mobile as fuck with this bit. Bro, we need to go to school to test this shit out, bro. Like, I'm just waiting on that. This nigga said YT Cracker was smarter when he had no pussy. Pussy makes you dumber, so does age. Now he's too old and has too much pussy. Surely rely on this advice. Damn. Damn. Alright. So let me see what's up. Bro, I think my next program, I'm gonna make it so I could just hack in the cameras. I've been meaning to do that for a while. That's what I need to do. Alright. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna go like this module. This method will house the welcome message. Text pi welcome equals pi. Oh my goodness, I don't got pyfiglet. Wait, no, I know I do. I just gotta import it. I don't know why I keep doing that, but okay. Alright, so I got the library I need for it. Pyfiglet dot figlet format. Text equals text format. No, not format. Font equals font. Text equals Wi-Fi hacking. Font equals bloody. Alright, console.print welcome. And before we print it, I'm gonna need space print. And then after we print it, I'm gonna need space 2. Alright. Now let's do the welcome UI in here. Print welcome UI. Frame snatcher dot welcome UI. Alright, let's see how this looks. Damn. Alright. So let's do a couple spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need the color. Color equals C1 equals bold red. C2 equals bold purple, red over purple. I'm just programming right now. Alright, Wi-Fi hacking. Alright, cool. That looks great. Wi-Fi hacking. Alright, cool. I think I'm gonna do bold instead. There's no font called bold. The fuck? Alright, mode equals 1. If mode equals 1. 2. Put on some good music right quick. King shit. Will you ever drop a Linux video one day? I think that rabbit will pike your interest. I think that rabbit hole will pike your interest. Shit. I never thought about dropping a Linux video.
You mean peak?
Huh?
You mean peak?
That's what he's. What peak your? What the fuck? Wait, what I said? What I said?
You said pike, bro.
Oh, Sean tweaking.
Yo, bro.
Cause I was reading it word for word, but yeah, pike. I'm peak, yeah, peak. I'm tweaking, bro. I ain't finna kill. I'm tripping.
Yo, hold up.
All right, so you said do a Linux. What type of Linux video you think though? And also, like, you think a video, like a real life video showing these attacks would be good too in school? Let me know in the chat, cause I was thinking about doing that. But we need to do that shit on Thursday then, bro. I ain't finna cap. So let me go ahead and do this. Elif mode equals 2. Fonts equals pi figlet dot. Oh shit. I think I do it like this. For fonts and fonts, text equals pi figlet dot figlet format. Text equals text. Font equals font. Console.print font. Console.print current font F. Bold green. And now we could do like a, oh shit, boom, and then I'm gonna do a time dot sleep. All right, that should be cool. Mode is on too. All right, hopefully that works. Sudo NSN. All right. Oops. All right. Yeah, I was about to say, I know I did the wrong one. All right, so how the fuck do I get the fonts again? Cause I forgot. fonts, Figlet, dot, Figlet format, dot, I forgot how to get the fonts. I'm gonna have to go to one of my old GitHub repos. Here it is. Fonts. No, that's not it, because I just saw it. Here we go. All right. Fucking tweaking. Style equals C2. All right, there we go. All right. I need to choose a font to use. Alright. I need to update this readme. Alright, cool though. I ain't seen not a single damn good font yet, bro. All this shit is ass. Any advice on how to stop procrastinating studying certs? Record yourself saying that you're finna complete it in a certain amount of time, and then depending on how far you wanna go, send it to somebody like a close friend, or maybe send it to your mom or dad, or do what I did and just make a YouTube channel and just post that bitch. If I was your, like, if you have a friend that'll push you to like motivate you, I would do that, like send it to your friend, and then like, let's say the type of friend to keep asking you, have you done it yet? Have you done it yet? Yo, what you doing? Like, family, like, I'm the type of friend to do that. I ain't gonna lie. So, and then when it comes down to the actual studying, just dedicate a certain amount of hours each day to that bit. Bro, all of these fonts is ass. Oh my goodness. mode equals 1. Alright, rerun that shit. Do you currently work in cyber? Nah, not yet. Money in it, internship right now. Do you have to memorize these scripts? Like, what you mean memorize? You mean like what you mean by memorize? Cause there's something I made. It's like it's kind of like speaking. Like you don't memorize how to talk. You just like word for word. Oh shit! I was just gonna show you something, but then the program started working. Like in the field, I guess it depends on which side you're going for. Like the shit I'm doing right now, it's kind of like red teaming, like some pen testing shit. But right now I'm trying to get in a SOC analyst role, so it's kind of like what I'm doing is on this side, and what I'm finna be doing as my first job will be over here. So like I'll be defending against shit like this, I guess, or on a more abstract, lower level, if that makes sense. For pen testing, I don't know how pen testers work. Like I know what it is, but like I'm not a pen tester. Like I don't really know too much about exactly what they do, but I know they'll definitely do some shit like this though. I don't know if it'll be exactly like this, but yeah. Because what I just did is deny. What I could do right now is denial of service. Pen testers usually don't do that because you're gonna disturb the workflow. They'll usually try to like break into the network and then maybe try to exploit or something. I just graduated with a bachelor's in cyber. I'm studying for my security plus right now. Oh, that's what's up. What school you went to? If your mama asking. Dang, this shit looks sexy through her. I need we have too many nuns though. This shit is an HP ink. What the fuck? Alright. Oh shit. This one don't look too bad. Nah. Do you think you need a degree? Do you think you need a degree to be in cyber, and what do you currently do for it? I don't know if you need a degree to be in cyber. I mean, I heard a lot of people that don't have one. Like I know Network Chuck said he don't. He a YouTuber, and right now, besides my internship for cyber, I work at CarMax. But I'm trying to see this summer if I could pivot to a cyber job. Get to school in St. Louis, so that's what's up. That's where Sexy Red from, bro. Alright, so let me see if I like the way it's looking. So it says Wi-Fi hacking. Sniff attempt, sniff attempt, sniff a step, sniff attempt. Now we found a bunch of MAC addresses. 4C. I need to string it so that way that shit doesn't happen. And I make a title style, and border style. Let me go like this. Alright, cool. So it's working. A couple of my boys went to a concert yeah, I knew a couple people that did too. I was thinking about going. Nah, let me not even care. That ain't really my thing. Some of her music cool though, I ain't gonna lie.
cyber to do what you do.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I don't think you need a degree in my opinion.
Oh. You just get you more money.
Yeah, for sure. To be honest, I think she's trash. Yeah, I mean, I only really liked a couple of her songs. I mean, I ain't finna say no. I don't know. I don't really listen to her like that. I only listen to the shit that be blowing up for real. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what she's snapping a lot. Look, this song wasn't too bad. I ain't gonna lie. You want everything. Y'all boys can't even lie. This shit, she snapped in this bit. What other top song she got? I don't even know half of these songs. I ain't gonna lie. I only know this song. Bro, why you acting like I ain't catch you listening to her the other day, bro?
Okay, what? Alright.
Bro, Isaiah, bro, don't cap, bro. Sebastian, my bad. I call this nigga Isaiah. Isaiah was listening to that bit one time too.
He was?
Nah, I'm fucking with shit.
I just been listening to that new clip, you know what I'm saying? That new Pusha T, one of my goats, you know what I'm saying? Pusha T really tops him.
What's that bit called?
Clips?
What the fuck is Clips, bitch?
Bro, you're not tapped in, bro. You're not tapped in.
I'm really not, bro. My feed be straight cyber shit, bro. I'm not finna cat. Like, you gotta see it just be straight nerd shit. Cause I be on that one.
Goddamn, bro, Clips is like, well, you know Pusha T, right?
No. Bro, I be on my nerd Instagram account, bro. So my shit is straight nerd shit.
I just fuck with rap music, bro. So.
I fuck with rap music too. I ain't gonna lie.
I used to like underground, like Florida jit music, bro.
I be listening to Tampa music too.
Tampa?
Hell yeah, I be listening to Tampa music a lot. I ain't finna lie. Hold on. How long did it take until you get paid? Like, what you mean paid? Well, paid on what? And what you doing for your internship? I'm basically just setting up like cloud security rules and shit. Like, I think on Thursday I gotta help transfer a website from one domain to another. I don't know how the fuck to do that, but I guess I'm gonna learn.
Still do that?
Yeah, I thought I'm gonna just do it until probably the end of this month. Like AWS, it's on, yeah, but they're using Azure though, so it's cloud shit, but it's not AWS, it's Azure. But like same shit on some shit though. All right, so 20. All right, let's see if it could knock my fucking laptop offline. I want to see how many devices doing it to at the same time. You know what? I should open up another VM and connect that VM to Wi-Fi. I might do that shit after the stream. That's gonna take a little minute. All right. Boom. All right. Let me pull this bitch up. Alright. I need to pull this bitch. Oh, actually, I still got it. Nice. Alright. Okay, bro. I still got Sexy Red playing. Hold on. I did not know I did. I'm turning shit off. After this song. Did you do any IT before getting into this, or are you trying to get into cyber from your internship? Yeah, I'm trying to get into cyber after my internship. And if you mean like IT before what I'm doing now, Not really, like not officially at least. I mean, I just did some simple shit like fucking take apart my computer and upgrade that bitch. And when I was in jail, I used to fucking boot niggas offline. That pissed me off on Block Ops. That was some scared shit though. Alright, this program working. Alright, cool. I'm gonna come over here. Put this bitch over here. Take this, bitch. You from Florida? I'm from Florida, twin. Where are you from, Brody? Alright, we finna test it out though. So look. Bro, I hate this fucking reverse shit. Connection status online. And then what am I connected to? I think I'm connected to 20 to 5 hertz. Yeah, 5 hertz. Alright, enter. Oh shit. I thought I ended my stream. I was about to get pissed. Alright, let's see. Let's see. My phone just disconnected. Let's see. Yep, offline. Let me see if I could come in front of the camera. And then I put it online again. So it's trying to come online, but the program keeps kicking it back offline. Let me go on my phone. Yeah, see, it's offline again. I'm gonna try to show y'all boy. Look. So it says offline. Offline. And then look, I'm gonna show my phone too. And my phone offline too. The fucking Wi-Fi don't even pop up to connect no more on this shit. Let me end the attack. Alright. Now it's popped up. Yep, now it's good now. See, now it's connecting. Get a nice ping from that bit. Actually, I think this program speaks out loud. Hold on. Oh, it does speak. Oh, I forgot to do that shit. Alright. Say you from Orlando. That's what's up, though. That boy from Florida too then. Dropping vid. Shit, what you mean dropping? Like a video of this shit? Of this program or like a video in general? Bro, I've yet to find a good looking font. None of these souls look good. Oh, as soon as I said that. Okay, this one don't look too bad. Hold on. DOS Rebel. I'm gonna put this in the chat so I can look back on it. I just exited the program on accident. Fuck. It's cool. But you say, yeah, this one. I'm trying to turn my program off. This shit is speaking through my laptop. Shit, yeah, I'm gonna do a video on this one though. I don't know what type of video. I don't know how I should do it though. Like I was thinking about, like I was finna do this bit with my boy Sebastian. We're just finna go to school and test this bit out there, in like a public setting, but like ethically, of course, you know. Or go to my partner's house and do some shit like that. So I don't know. Yeah, ethically, bro. Educational reasons, bro. Like what? Educational reasons, bro. Let me see. Hey, bro. Hopefully your voice going through the stream.
How did you get your command line to look like that, bro?
Well, what you mean?
You got the big ass like Wi-Fi hacking shit there.
Oh, that's a library you can use. You could just make it. You could just print that shit out looking big. Yeah, for sure. Alright, let me change the music, bro. I got. Alright, so I'm gonna just do DOS Rebel for now. DOS _ Rebel. That's actually ironic for the script. Yep. So I was able to find mine. Another one. I'm trying to think. I might put the signal in here too. Alright. So I'm gonna go. Alright, I'm finna put a stall on this. So. Alright, I got the UI, the sniff for targets, packet parser. So let's go ahead and come over here, and I'm gonna take this out. And then I also I should be able to do this. Man, believe in us, bro. Pull back up the chat. Yeah, my laptop doing good. Connection status online, latency 3 milliseconds. Alright, so I stringed it. So now it's a string now. Cool. Alright, so let me try this again now. Press enter to sniff. It's kind of hot. I bumped on pressure and I know it. Ain't believing us. Believing us. God damn, bro. Attempt number 3. I need to search up why I be doing that sometimes. Bro, Sebastian, bro. Bro, imagine presenting this shit in front of like, and you know your since you're the leader for that club, imagine presenting this shit in front of that bit, bro. Turn your mic up, bro. What you said?
Said they would go ballistic, Jit.
What? They'll get the tweaking.
Crazy.
They'll get the tweaking. I ain't gonna lie.
What the fuck is the dude on, bro? How do you know this shit? I'm not gonna lie, I ain't never even seen this, bro, until you showed me.
You say you never
programming with all just software engineering, and I didn't even know people program for cybersecurity.
Nah, hell nah. Cause you gotta think about like, you see people putting viruses on people's computers and shit. You know, you gotta make that through programming. Yeah. I ain't know that shit either. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit mad tough. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That's why I fought with that shit heavy now. Only for cybersecurity though. Like that software engineering shit. That shit is not me, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah. No, fuck with it.
It's just boring to me. Like making calculators, websites, and shit. That shit is boring to me. I ain't gonna lie. Harriet's Wi-Fi. It's so crazy. I could really just target any one of these to disconnect all their devices. That's so crazy. I've been trying to make this shit since fucking March, bro. This shit is finally done. For the most part. Somebody named their shit 5 gigahertz. It's this shit tweaking. No, that's probably just a fucking parse error. This shit is named testing. Spectrum Mobile. There it is. Worship Squid. HP Desktop. HP Desk Jet. Right here. Okay, so I got Worship Squib. I actually got Worship Squid twice. Play some different music. This should be skirt. I hopped on late. What up, Anderson? Nah, you straight, bro. What's going on, man? How you been, twin? Worship Squid. F4 F452 F452 46 5757 080838. Okay, I was about to say.
Stream for an hour already? What the fuck?
For real? Oh, damn, it has been an hour already, bro.
Yes, bro.
Bro, Tom be flying by and do this shit. But that's why I be up just like easily as fuck streaming for hours, bro. Cause Tom be flying.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so I gotta edit the title style, the header style, and I need to make it so you have the option to rescan. Will you be doing a code run through of this tool? Somebody was kind of asked something like that, and I wouldn't mind. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Yes, sir. The stream on mine now. What's good with y'all? Nah, I'm just playing. I don't know how to do none of this shit he do.
All right. All right. We be doing a code run through this tool. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing a demonstration of it, of me using it. But a code run through will be like a whole different type of thing though. Shit, I'll probably do both in the same video maybe, or I'll do the walkthrough, and then if people want to see like how the logic behind it work, I mean, I'll do that too. It don't really matter to me, you know. Title. I'm gonna make it purple. Header style equals bold purple, bold purple. And then what else? Purple, purple. All right, cool. Ah, shit. I gotta think. How do I want to do it? Are you happy with these results? Do you want to rescan?
I'm not gonna lie.
You about to get some Popeyes?
Hell yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, Popeyes do sound good right now, boy. I don't even think that's a good idea. Man, I bought a bunch of food. I need to start eating that. Like, I got burritos and shit in the freezer.
Like frozen ones?
Yeah, I got a bunch of frozen food to cook.
Hell no.
Cause I'm trying to see if I could hit 165.
Like weight wise?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm 180.
Yeah, but I'm on 60, so I mean, if I could get some, you feel me? Have choice and yes.
What you hitting? Oh, you hitting back, right? That boy Isaiah pulling up finally or not?
I don't know about Isaiah pulling up to the gym. I mean, he said Jet then he talking about some fucking. He said something about him being sick. I mean, I know Kel said something. I ain't saying nothing. I mean, if he's sick, if he feels sick after going to the club, he should go to the gym to go to the sauna. Like, that's how you get that shit out your system, in my opinion. Well, that's not even the opinion. That's a fact. Yo, what's going on, Jordan? My boy Jordan. What's going on, Twinner? Bro, your favorite is cheese balls, remember? That's an OG right there. I do remember that though. Alright, let me go. Yeah. Alright. Pass. Elif. Elif. Choice. And do you want to rescan? Do you want to rescan? Nothing much I found out my intro to comps. Nothing much I found out my intro to comp science class is Python. Oh, that's what's up. Hey, bro. What's it called? Make sure your teacher is good at fucking teaching, bro. Cause like teaching, like somebody teaching you how to program will like dead ass determine whether you actually finna like it or not. Cause you could low key be good at it, but if they is ass at teaching it, you might not even like it. You might think you don't like it, but the whole time you had the potential to be good at it. Cause like I had a teacher like last year in January for my spring semester, and she was teaching me how to program. And I had a whole class on it. I didn't learn shit, and I had an A. I had an A plus. I had an A, but didn't know shit from it. And then I started learning again on my own last year in November, and all of a sudden here I am, and I whole time like programming. Like I thought I didn't like it. I fucking switched my major and all because I thought I didn't like that shit. So you gotta make sure your teacher good. I ain't gonna lie. If she not good, you got to do some self learning, my boy. No, and
Well, I'm about to make everybody hate programming, bro. Teach them how to do that shit in college.
Shit, they might hey, depending on how you do it, they might go like, hey, fuck it, I want to do it. Like if my teacher was to show me a fucking tool, like some shit where like maybe she made a tool to do some devious shit, okay, I would have instantly liked that shit more, but she didn't. She showed me some lame ass shit.
Software engineering shit.
I guess I really don't remember, bro. Like I was lost as fuck. I was using Git and shit. I didn't know that shit worked.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know any classes for like cyber coding. Like most of it is like software engineering coding type shit.
I don't think, bro. Like I don't know if they got any. I mean, I don't think mine's even got any now that I think about it.
The intro to comp sci class is Python. My first coding class was Java. Fuck Java. Hell no. I failed that class so bad, bro. That shit was ass, dude. I said that shit in high school, bro.
Bro said fuck. He said fuck Java. Hey, bro. Hey, that's funny as shit, bro. Yo. Bro. Do you want to rescan?
Bro, Python is so much better, bro. That shit is so much easier, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Python's so much easier, bro.
Pass. Alright, I'm gonna have to make this a function. Def rescan. Rescan. This method will. Will this count as a method? Or would I call this bitch a function? What is applesauce? Bus.
Applesauce is top 5 snacks, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, applesauce, but people be sleeping on applesauce, bro.
They do. This shit slap though.
I'm saying.
Alright, this method will be used to ask the user whether or not they want to do another scan or continue with the results. Boom. else, return false, return false.
I need some ice cream or some shit, bro.
Frame snatcher dot frame snatcher dot target chooser. Hold on. What the fuck is this shit called? A static method. Did not mean to do that. Static method. How the fuck do I call this from myself? How did I used to do this shit? I don't think I'm gonna find it. What the fuck is this called? Target chooser. What the fuck, bro? How do I call upon this function, bro?
Bro, are you fucking roller skating?
Papa, who?
You fucking roller skating?
Who the fuck is Rose Kitty, bro?
Bro, what do you mean? Roller skating.
Oh, roller skating. Oh shit.
Fuck roller skating.
Yeah, roller skating. Cool. I used to fuck with that shit heavy as a jet, bro.
I'm saying.
I used to fuck with that
Low-key,
shit
that's
heavy.
deep as fuck. That's
You
deep
do.
as fuck.
I used to do that shit all the time.
At United Skates.
Yep, I was at United Skates in this other skating ring that was down the street from it. That's I think abandoned now. It was next to a bowling alley.
You trying to go low key?
I don't know about skating no more. I haven't did that shit in years. Well, I did that shit a couple years ago because I was with a couple of my friends want to do that shit, but I don't like that shit as much anymore. Because I used to do that shit every weekend in the summer and shit, like every summer.
Damn.
Yeah, bro, like, cause I was in daycare and really it was like a field trip on some shit. You know, they just had me doing that shit. Let me see, bro. You got
Shit,
some.
tomorrow my sister's birthday. Holy fuck.
Happy birthday to her ass, bro. Bro, you got so many credentials and actual skills. I'm curious why you going into the military. Just hella curious, to be honest. Either way, you finna be successful. Oh shit. I want to get that clearance, bro. But I'm gonna do reserve though, so I'm gonna come back up and get a civilian job. You feel me? I'm gonna try to get a civilian cyber job before or after. You feel me? Cause I want that to make me help me look better. On a couple other reasons, if that makes sense. Copyright tunes. Hey, I appreciate the donation, bro. I ain't never had that shit before too. So, well, I think I had that shit one time on the how I got that Security Plus Nerd Plus video. But I appreciate that though. That's love right there. Let me see what I could do with this shit when somebody do that. If I could fucking heart it. Oh, I can.
Oh, shit, I just seen it.
Oh, that's love, my boy. I appreciate that. That bitch said euro though. I don't know how that. I don't know if, like, do it say euro for you too? Like it's an E next to it.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's gonna fucking.
Transfer to USD.
Yeah. I'm guessing. So I don't know. I don't know how that shit work. I never did this shit on YouTube, bro. I appreciate that though. Copyright tunes. Assuming that's your name, cause that's what it say for me. I want that clearance too. That's what I'm saying, bro. That clearance gonna be a game changer. Wi-Fi hacking. So basically, bro, Linux is so annoying with this shit. Scroll down, bro. All right. Do you want to rescan? No. Who do you want to attack? Do you want to rescan? Yes. Clear screen. Restart the script. Do I want to do that? Or do I want it so? I might do it like that. Or I could just call it like this. Oh, I'm fucking tripping. I forgot I could do that shit. Damn, I'm tripping. Uh, Actually, do you want to rescan instead of returning true? Restart main module. So I'm gonna go like utilities dot clear screen, and then I'm gonna do frame snatcher dot main. Boom. Do you want to rescan? Alright, cool. So let me go ahead and retry this bit now. Actually, before I even do this shit needs to be cleaner, bro. So let's go like utilities dot clear screen. Kelly have web vulnerability tools in itself. Why create a new one? Why create a new one using Python? When I be creating tools, it's like it helps me better understand how the fuck it work. Like for example, let's say you see Nmap support scanner. So like me making my own one help me see like how packets interact on lower levels like layer 4, layer 3, and to help me memorize the ports and the protocols with those ports, the services and all that. And also you can make your own tool to automate certain tasks, like specific tasks that you want for a specific reason, you know. But this isn't a web vulnerability tool though. Do you want to rescan? Yes. Nice, it works. Cool. So on Linux, it keeps going as if it's multi-threaded. It's interesting. So then, damn, I wish you could look at the packets on layer 2 through Wireshark. I don't think you can. And either way, I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. Oh, I can look at it. Nice. Alright. Damn, I don't know how to fucking filter frames. Yep, and it stopped as soon as I did that. I need to see the HP. That's nice, bro. So Wireshark, you can see that bit too when you're in monitor mode. SSID, why? Oh, we got the beacon frames, cool. And it shows the data in it, along with the BSSID or the SSID. Oh, the BSSID is over here. Yes, right here. And that's broadcast. So then when I come over here, so it's the fucking script, because over here I'm seeing everything regardless. I'm about to do some debugging for that later on. There we go. So now when I tap 1, do you want to rescan? No. When I tap 1, come over here. Spectrum setup. Yeah, so now it's showing. Yep, so now we're seeing all the packets or the frames over here. And when we cancel it, and now it stopped. Cool. So we could fucking monitor that bit in real time. Alright, that's something that I need to add to it. I need to change this. Wi-Fi. Alright, so now I need to make the module where I'm able to crack Wi-Fi passwords. That's gonna be something else, boy. Bro, Sebastian, imagine we brought this bit to the gym, bro. I said, imagine we brought this shit to the gym. For ethical reasons, of course, educational. Don't leak Mac, use sudo Mac changer dash R, WLAN 0, DDoS, art spoofing, laughing at the core. DDoS, art spoofing. Shit. I didn't really mind too much since I could change, since my MAC address is spoofed on my router. Like, directly from my router. But I never knew they had a Linux command for that. Sudo Mac changer dash R. Oh, you talking about for my adapter? Well, it's not the NIC inside my computer. It's this one. So this one, it ain't too bad having this one exposed, but you got a point though. Let me try that out. Sudo, what you said it was? Sudo Mac changer dash R WLAN 1. Sudo IP link set down. Sudo Mac changer dash R. Alright, cool. So you able to, wow. I ain't like, you just put me on game, bro. I appreciate that. Hold on. I'm gonna add that to my notes. Whoa, hold on. Okay, I'm about to say. Alright. To run script.
I need to raid till like 9 o'clock, bro.
What was it called? Sudo mac changer dash r. And then Nick needs to be down to it. That's helpful. This shit on iPhone a lot. Alright, hold on. Sudo IP leak set up. Sudo. Alright. I appreciate that advice though, man. That was I ain't never knew about that. That do make sense, so that's the thing. Now let me see if it's able to work still with its spoof. They have a separate destination. They have a separate transmitter and source address. Interesting. We got the radio tap header, which has the signal, the frequency. Nice. This shit is actually very informative. So we got the radio tap, and then we have the 802, that 11 frame on top of it. Where's the beacon frame at? I'm guessing this is the beacon frame right here. And so, actually, no. No, this isn't a beacon frame. Alright, let's get a beacon frame in here then. Oh, I found one. Here we go. So for the ones that send out radio tab 802, 5 gigahertz signal channel. Yeah, this is a beacon frame. Yeah, nice. I bet. Alright, let me put this inside the main script now. Frame snatcher.main. share save. Or actually, it's in UI. I'm going to run this. Scan for networks. View save networks. Cracked networks. Deauth attack. I don't like that format. How you download? You see me, man. Have you downloaded the latest Rainbow Tables of Word list? Nah, I do. I am going to soon though. I'm probably gonna do it on what's it called tomorrow. Cause I was thinking about getting. Alright, I thought I had to sneeze. I guess not. So I was thinking about getting this over. I was gonna get this to run Linux on it, but then I also want to get. Let me just type this in. So where was it at? I guess it was 3050. So I was thinking about getting this 3050 because right now my computer has a 1660. I was gonna take this 3050 and put it in my computer and use that 1660 with my Raspberry Pi to then run this script. But it's gonna run a certain section of the script that's gonna crack the handshake. Cause if you use a fucking GPU, you could crack millions in seconds, bro. Like I think it's like 14 million in a couple seconds. So if I could get like a fat ass word list, a sec list. I tried to hack router gateway login once, didn't work. How did you try to do it? Like, did you have like you tried to brute force it? I need to have my shit like this.
Connection status online. Welcome to NetBone 2.0.
Yeah, so it's built on JavaScript, and I was scared because it's not my. Shit, bro. I would say you could use Hydra. I don't know if you can use Hydra for port 80 actually. I only used Hydra for SSH and Telnet. No, actually, I only use it for Telnet. I don't know if you can do it for web pages. I would assume you can though. You can really just make your own though. Like brute force scripts are simple as hell. Scan for networks. Producer network. Alright, cool. I'm gonna put that in right now. Alright, so frame snatcher dot main, and I'm gonna change up the things. Are you a freelancer? I'm new here. No, I'm not a freelancer, bro. At least not yet. Yeah. I'm finna deauth attack first. I feel like dying. All right.
Yup.
Yo, what up, brother?
Yeah. Eat something real quick.
What's your ass
Yo,
at?
that fresh kitchen.
You got a fresh kitchen, you said?
Hell yeah.
Shit, I need to eat my damn stuff, low key.
Oh, I'm straight to go out next weekend, by the way.
Oh, yeah, I bet. Well, it finna be turned. I ain't finna cap. Shit.
Sick. You still got the some people when you left?
Nah, bro, you said
I forgot Isaiah drank the rest of that, man.
Then Isaiah really drink that whole thing, though?
Yeah, there wasn't that much left.
That's crazy. I didn't know we drunk all that.
Yes.
Shit, I have, I have, I have. What was that drink called? What was the other one called?
The disgusting ass shit. I don't know. I didn't even touch it.
Hey, that shit get you right though. You saw me, bro. That shit got you right though.
Hell,
It get you right.
hell.
I still got some of the. I still got some of that though. Amsterdam. I still got that. Hoe. I got like half a bottle. Yeah. Deauth attack. Crack networks.
Bro, I just got an ad on your stream. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm not surprised that bitch is on. I think it's automatic though. Alright, I gotta really think if I'm finna do this shit. Deauth attack.
Wait, Bar, you got an external mic or not?
An external what?
Mic. You got an actual microphone?
Yeah, this bit right
So
at.
you can see it.
Yeah, but I said it. I got an external mic. My stream connect to the external mic, but the Discord that we talking through, that bit through my headset. What color should I make this shit, bruh? This is such a...
I'm through with this shit. Like, this shit ain't even working, bro. This shit ain't gonna work. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, this shit, what we got going on so rusted, dog, you can't even polish. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, babe. I don't see no future in us. I ain't like the other dudes. I'ma kick this shit to you with no auto-tune. Yeah. Fuck the Slurpee, I'm so smooth. Yeah.
We found audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Okay, buddy. Alright, come over here. Come back over here.
Shit, I'm on wild loops now.
Huh?
I'm doing wild loops now.
Which one, the through or four?
Both.
That's what's up. That's gonna come in handy.
I'm saying.
Neck cracker.
Yep, I'm gonna go carry those bricks.
You finna go carry down bricks? What you talking about?
My dad.
Oh, for the roofing?
Yeah, go get the shit. So, what's it called? I'll probably see you at the gym. You gonna be at the gym at like 8? 9 or some shit?
I should be there. I'm gonna be there at like 8:39.
8:39. Alright, bet.
Either
I'll
or.
see you, bro.
Alright, so I'm gonna see you at that one. Let me change the song. Bro, I don't know what color I want to have this main menu be. Oh shit. Try this style. Try this style. Hold on. The way YouTube has it framed, that shit. Style equals bold white on what? You could do that. If I 2 equals 0 else bold white on blue. Console.print text. Oh, you finna have it slowly print on the screen? I don't know if it'll be able to. Hold on. Cause this is a. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to do that. Cause it's gonna store all of this in here. Now, if it was just the text in there, it'll work. Cause I did that one time for another module. I do like that idea though. Alright. So let me exit the Discord real quick. I don't think pink is a color. Yeah, it's not. That bit do not look as clean as this. Alright. I need to find a good font to use. Wait, actually. It is what it is. Yeah, I know exactly. It's not exactly. Those weren't too bad. These don't look bad. Alright. So we got our fonts. Alright, so we're gonna try. I did not mean to do that.
Got my education in prison. Got my education like from the trenches, from the block. Understand? Being involved and all that. Yeah. I got my education in prison, but I can't go to college. I remember all the older boys, but I don't play no honey. I can't forget the shit I did. I hope it don't come in honey.
Alright, so we put in Delta Quartz Prius _1. Yo, what's going on, Eli? Well, I'll talk to your ass in a little minute, my boy. What's going on with you? PC, what's up, PC? What's up, dog? First time on this live, but been watching you for a few months now. Glad to see you still going strong. Baby, keep going, keep growing and learning, and nothing can stop. Yo, much love, man. Yes, I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate you for watching, though, my boy, for the last couple months, though. That's real. I really appreciate it. I ain't gonna lie. All right, let's see how this look. Okay. That's not too bad. What's the other one I put in the chat? The other one I put was double blocky. Let's see how this yeah. Alright, so this one, only thing is it's gonna put the R to the side. If it didn't do that, I would have picked it. That's the thing. Chilling gang on the money on grind, you good? Yes, I'm trying to be on the same type of time, man. I ain't gonna lie. My one partner, he work at this one company, this one cyber company. He told me to apply for that bit. Then I should get it, so I applied to that, and then I applied for another one. So I'm finna see within the next couple weeks if I'm finna get either one of those. So then once I do, I could just start. I could start multiplying my knowledge even more. Alright. I'm gonna try this one. Yes, I gotta get that job, bro. Yeah, not for real. That's real though. I do. Let me change the song. Looking at my channel. Hey, Twin, you want to see what this program do? Let me know if you do. Alright, so let's come over to UI. I already have that one written down. Damn, that's the one that. I'm gonna just do DOS Rebel. Ew, I might do this one. I might change the color. That color look ass. Need more people who can code. Well, I need more people who can code and also are artists. I don't know why people can't do both, to be honest. What type of artists you mean? Like rappers? Like a singer on some shit? Alright, so if I do this. What the fuck? Why does it push it back like that? Like I didn't tell it to do that. Yeah, that's stupid. There we go. Alright. I don't know what colors to make this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Can't use rich.console imports to align text. Are you asking me or is that a statement? You probably already answered this, but what you feel is the best way to learn code in Python? I feel like the best way, in my opinion, is like first learn the basic syntax, like condition, loops, types, and then after you do that, just start working on projects. Like you struggling, like you having to think through something that's gonna make you remember it and better understand it too. Yeah, sound like that. Producers, signers, rappers, all that. Yeah, shit. Yeah, I don't really be seeing that. A rapper that could code. I don't think I've ever seen that. Try blue and yellow. All right. Blue and yellow might be hard actually. You just spit some real shit, low key. You said blue and yellow, right? Blue and yellow, yeah. Yellow, blue. What you think? What y'all boys think of this, bitch? That bit colorful as a bit, but it don't look too. I think it got potential. Let me change the mode on this to 1 so it start doing that goofy shit. And then let me close this terminal right here. Cause I think that look, tell y'all I'm gonna say that bit has potential. Shit, wrong module. Bro, you're a unit. Keep up the grind, man. I'm taking my Sec Plus in 14 days. Thanks to your video on testing out that learning style you recommended. I'm going to see how I do. Shit, I appreciate that, man. And good luck on your test, though. But I ain't finna count, though. The shit I said in that video, I haven't seen that video in a while. But from what I can remember about the AI and the testing of the exams, I feel like that shit work with like really pretty much anything you're trying to learn. So I feel like you should be straight, bro. I'm new here, Brody, and that purple, red, or green combo goes stupid too. Purple, red, or green. Purple, red. Okay, cool. Yeah, bro, I ain't lie. I just been like I got this. This is done. This is done, and this is done. The only thing I don't have done is this, and I have to edit the logic behind these two a little bit, but for the most part, the program is done, kind of. I'm just trying to set up the UI to make it look good. So yeah, I appreciate that. Love from New York. Appreciate the free game. Yes, up, man. That's love, brother. I'm gonna show y'all boys some shit too. Oh yeah, the program don't. All right, cool. So let me do sudo. That's why it didn't work. Oh shit, I typed in the wrong password. All right. Fuck. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna show y'all boys some shit. So let me come over here. I'm gonna make this bigger. Alright, so look. Let me unlock my phone right quick. So boom, this is my Wi-Fi, right? Connected to my Wi-Fi, right? And this program is finna, so basically this is what it's gonna do. All of these black circles are Wi-Fi routers or access points, and the program is working in the background though. I'm gonna let that shit go real quick before I tell y'all what's up. Damn, it's still doing that shit even after I string it. All right, cool. So look, all of these black circles are Wi-Fi routers, right? Or access points. It's one and the same thing. Both of them the same thing. So this is a laptop. This is a phone, headphones, monitor, phone. All of these are nodes. A node is basically a device that can connect to the internet. So all of them are nodes, devices, whatever you want to call them. And these Wi-Fi, the only way you're able to connect to the internet is because these routers send out beacon frames, basically saying, "Hey, I am an available network to connect to," and they basically send that out on a broadcast address for anybody to see. My program takes those addresses, it stores it, and now we have the SSID, the vendor. That's nothing crazy. SSID vendor, that's some shit you can see on your regular phone right now. But boom, we take the address, right, and we make a frame, which is basically a packet on layer 2, and we set our address as the MAC address of that router, and now we're gonna broadcast a message to every device on that router's network saying, "Get the fuck off the network." And I'm gonna show you how that look real quick. Hold on. So it says, "Do you want to rescan?" No. And who do I want to attack? So I'm on network 13 right now. So y'all see Jabari 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap 13. And y'all finna see. I know that ain't no bullshit. You see it disconnected me from the Wi-Fi. See, look, my phone trying to reconnect, but it cannot reconnect though. And look, I'm gonna start the program. Watch what happens when I start the program though. Now, depending on how bad it did it, the phone is gonna reconnect. Shit about to turn off. It's not gonna reconnect, but usually it'll reconnect. But it tried to reconnect, but my program kept kicking it off, and that it was doing that for not only my phone, but every device on that network. So the laptop, TV, fucking computer, you know. But the only thing is, it does not work on devices that are connected through a wired connection. You feel me? So, but I have something else for that though. I know how to do some other shit to that too though. Do you get your Network Plus prior to getting your security? Yeah, I got my Network Plus, then I got my Security Plus. So that's how I did it. That's how I did that. Yeah, this bit smooth though. I might do a video about it once it's like fully done too. And then the next part I gotta put in is where it's going to allow you to capture a handshake, which is basically that handshake holds the password to the Wi-Fi. Well, I wouldn't say the password to the Wi-Fi, but it holds the password to the Wi-Fi, not in clear text, but I think it's hashed, and we're gonna try and brute force that handshake. And if we get it right, then that means that we got the password to the Wi-Fi. And I could do about 14 million brute force in 2 seconds with the GPU. So we're gonna be trying that out. So that's the second option I gotta make to crack the handshakes. But I have this one pretty much basically done. And I didn't show you how the Wi-Fi adapter, but hold on. To do this attack, you need a Wi-Fi adapter, or you need a NIC that allows you to go in monitor mode. And this is the one I got. So it's using this to connect to see the packets or to see the frames, and you can't do it on a adapter that does not have monitor mode. If it's in manage, which allows you to only connect to internet and Wi-Fi devices or routers, you're not gonna be able to do it. So right now what my adapter can see is shit like this. A bunch of traffic just flowing through. See how it says Jabari 5, wildcard. These are all frames going through my network, right? Or not the net. These are all frames happening around me, and my adapter is able to pick it up. See, it says spectrum, broadcast. You feel me? So That's how that bit worked though. Hopefully that made sense though. How long in total have you been learning all this? Just recently came across your channel. I'm working as a hardware repair tech right now, about to start my bachelor's in cybersecurity. What's it called? How long have I been learning all this shit? I really started locking into cyber for real, like I would say maybe like January. I started programming in November, and then I started locking in with like I started like really locking in around like after I started programming, so like between November and January. Um, yeah, that's when I started. And you are a repair tech, yeah. Yeah, good luck on your bachelor's though, man. That sound hard. That sound cool though. My hardware repair tech. That sound cool. Again, two. What up, bro? Using aircrack NG. This one is more automated. That's why I made this one. So like, I don't even really got to do much, bro. I just tap the thing, and it just does it all. But this one, I want to use it to crack networks. So I don't know. I just like making my own programs, bro. Cause it helps me better understand it too. You feel me? Let me see what's going on with my other shits. All right, cool. All right. So I guess I'll keep it like. All right, let me put in some error handling for that, cause that's a little crazy. Um, all right. Let me see how the error handling is. All right, cool. Oh shit. There's no loop though. I was about to say. All right. So that fixes that. All right. Where is it at? How the hell did I do it down here though? Oh, that's something else. All right. Cool. All right, that works. All right, so now I need to fix. All right, so we got this going on. I do about what you want to do, only with the Raspberry Pi on the router, and create a Wi-Fi attack. Looks good so far, bro. I appreciate that. All right, y'all boy, my bad. Do you got a whole home lab set up? In some ways, it depends. When people say home labs, I'd be like, a home lab could be so many different things. So I guess you could say yeah, 'cause I got my own router with my own SD-WAN set up on it, and all my traffic flows through that SD-WAN. So like all my DNS queries are encrypted, so my ISP can't see that. And then I could put a VPN on that router too, so everything on my network could be through that VPN. But I didn't do it because some devices on my network, I don't want it to go through the VPN. But all my DNS queries are encrypted. My phone, laptop, computer, and my virtual machine are all going through a encrypted or end-to-end encrypted VPN too. So there's that. And then I was gonna set up a storage as a network too. I'm gonna need one of those. What the hell was I doing? Oh yeah, I was doing this. Didn't I just do that? What the fuck? Oh shit. I'm tweaking. Alright, there we go. So shit, yeah, I guess we could just leave it like that. That ain't bad. Fuck it. We could leave the UI looking like this for now at least. I don't mind that. That's great. Okay, but I'm trying to get ideas on how I should start. I might just get Kali Linux and mess around. Yeah, shit. Lately I've been fucking messing around my shit a lot. I gotta put my VPN on it. And then I connected my adapter to it. And I got Visual Studio Code in it so I can start programming this shit. Cause some of my programs going forward are only gonna be able to work on Linux, or at least work better on Linux. So I'm gonna start prioritizing that. I know Bash too. That's what's up. Are you going to put this public on GitHub or something? It's already on GitHub. This is an old program. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I just stopped working on it because I had to do a couple things that I did not know how to do because I didn't know how to use Linux. See, it's right here. I'm gonna show you how old it is. Look, 3 months ago. But I just started messing around with this mod. This module is new. This is the one that allows you to actually deauth the targets. Because when I first made it 3 months ago, I made it so you could scan for the networks and you could save them. And then I stopped because everything else I needed to do required me to go to Linux, and I didn't want to do that. But now I am, and I have a Wi-Fi adapter to go in monitor mode. So that's why I'm starting to work on this again. This program should be finished by like. This program isn't like, I don't even remember NetVon 2.0. That shit is 6,000 lines of code, and it's probably not gonna be done since like 9,000, 10,000. This program ain't finna be like that. This shit finna be done. This shit finna be done way quicker, cause I wouldn't say it's simpler, but it doesn't require as much logic in the code. So I should be done with this program like at least. I should be done with everything besides the cracked networks part by next week. My bad about that. And then let me see if the rescan option works. Yes, sir. Chat GPT codes like crazy. I say better than Gemini. Like, what you mean? Like, how so? I never actually made a whole project with AI before, so I really don't even know how good it codes. Like, I had to give me snippets before, and I had to understand that shit, but I never had to actually make a whole project, so I don't know how good that shit is with it. I'm assuming it's decent at least though. So we got the deauth attack, crack handshakes. Here we go, this one. Okay. Yeah, I'll just have 15. Okay, I need to make it so that when on the bottom it shows how many total packets you sent. Yeah, I need to throw that in. It's actually nice. I fuck with this setup. So the bottom will have a live capture output. Alright, so this is a function, not a method. Yo, what's going on, Syntax? That's a hard ass name, I ain't gonna lie. Do you have a code to crack Wi-Fi passwords like hash crack? No, I don't have the logic for that made yet. I'm most likely finna use hash crack to do it, cause hash crack can go fast as hell, and it's a nicely made tool. And I also have to practice with hash crack too. So I'm just have it so through the program you choose the network and then it's gonna pass it to Hashcrack within that terminal, and then it's gonna go from there. And then also gonna have like probably like an external GPU linked up to the to whatever I'm doing it on, so that way it could go fast. All right, I don't know if I did it right. I haven't did that. I haven't done this shit in a while. But if not, I'm finna just check my old program. Oh shit. Sudo. Yeah. All right. If I could ask, what do you want to do in the future with everything you do, or you haven't thought about that yet? So right now I'm trying to, right now I'm currently trying to get into being a SOC analyst, and then beyond that, I'm gonna try to move my way up through there. But I don't think that's gonna be something I'm very passionate about in terms of the broad umbrella of cybersecurity. I don't really know. Like I like making red team tools, and I like to use them to learn more about exploits and different hacking techniques and shit. So I really don't know. I know it's definitely gonna be a spot. Like I asked ChatGPT, I was like, so out of everything I do, like, what do you think I'll like the most? And it was saying like, probably like a offensive security developer, or what was it called? A DevOps developer, a DevSecOps, something like that. Somebody that makes tools for red teamers, or something like that. I don't know, something like that. I'm gonna figure it out as I go though. Yeah, I didn't do it right. Oh, you know what that means. Gonna pull over. I'm looking to see if I can get it myself without looking at my old script. Wait. Panel dot. Is that a thing? Wait a minute. I think I'm supposed to be doing this. Yeah, I think it's like that. Yeah, I ain't even finna look at it. I'm gonna just see if I can get this bit myself first. Hold on. Let's come over here. Sudo. Okay, bro. Good luck with that. I appreciate that, man. What inspired you to get into IT, networking, programming, etc.? Shit. My mama made me do it. uh, she just made me go to college. I want to say forced, but like she taught me into it. And then when I was in college, I wasn't really inspired or passionate to really do cyber for real. Like it was cool to me, but like, I didn't really care too much about it. And then I started programming, and then after I started programming, I started to lean more into cybersecurity, the concepts of it, the attack types, the protocols, the things you do. And then from there, I started to realize that I actually do like it. Seems like you're passionate now. Yeah, I'm passionate now, but back then I wasn't, like, at all. Okay, I got it. I found it. See, look, I ain't even had to pull up my old script. Fuck that. Yeah, I was about to say, like, what the fuck? And on top of that, I did it wrong. Alright, let's try it now. It's illegal to perform these on someone's network script kiddies. I don't know if you're talking to me or the chat, but I'm only doing it on myself. Interesting. So as you can see, it's working with the reason it's changing. We have the target, the total packet sent. don't know how the hell this shit didn't work just now. But we finna try it again. Copyright terms, message retracted. I don't know. Was he talking to me when he said that though, bro? I'm assuming. I really don't know. Okay, this side. Yo, what's going on? I'm just chilling, trying to make this girl. What's going on, Trudeau, Brody? Okay, I know the problem. Well, I know one of the problems. I was talking another thing. No kitty good, bro. Sure, okay. Shit, hopefully, I really should put a disclaimer in the thing though, yeah, cause that's true. I don't want nobody to do no crazy shit with it. Shit. Let me see. Do I have a disclaimer? No, I don't. I'm gonna have to make one. Most of my shits I've been putting a disclaimer, I think. Cause let me see. I know this one. I think I do. Yeah, I do. Added disclaimer. I gotta make it look better. I honestly don't know. Hold on, is it working though while I'm doing it like that? Yeah. So alright, so I'm gonna put a title, and within that title, I'm gonna put tech status. But yeah, I'm gonna have to pull up. I'm gonna have to pull up one of my old programs. I did it in this one. It should be in here. It's going to be all the way down here. Here it is. Okay, so it's a constant. That's why. That makes sense. I'm like, I never did that before. So it's panel dot renderable equals. That makes sense. I ain't gonna lie. It's a little weird how it's like that, but oh yeah, cause updating the live itself, not the panel. Oh, and it technically is a constant. It's supposed to be a constant. But y'all are letting me change it though, so.
If you was a cartoon character on your first album, then you need to be a cartoon character on your last.
I'm gonna go like this. Go like that. Alright, this should be the final test. No way this bit don't work. What's up, y'all? One question though. Will it use a particular word list or ask the user for the word list to be used for the brute force? I don't know yet. I might use a particular one because, I mean, it's going to use a bunch. The idea is to just have it go for the best success rate. So I also going to use the Rocky word list, and then I also need a couple sec lists. That's gonna have like millions of combinations. So like if you're doing it on the CPU, it's gonna take a couple hours, but a GPU could do that shit in seconds. So it's like why not add more, you know, to increase the chances. Let me come over here. All right. So 14. Oh shit. I'm stupid as fuck, bro. Cause I'm like, why is this shit not working? Like, what the fuck? Now this should work. Another one is, how do you know what channel or BSSID to use? I get that confused every time. How do you know what channel? Like, what you mean to use? I'm not using any right now. I'm pulling the information, but I'm not using it. I'm only using the BSSID. Are you saying? Oh, I know what you're saying. Okay, okay, my bad. I'm tweaking. I'm gonna show you. So it's in here. All right, so over here, right now it's sniff. So let me try to. I'm gonna have to start from here so it makes sense. All right, so look. So this is a function from the Scalpy library. It's gonna sniff your traffic using that interface that I give it, which is this. It's gonna sniff whatever traffic goes through this. I was making sure it wasn't overheating. And when it finds a packet, it's going to throw that packet into this function, which in this case is a method. So this is the method, and when whatever method it goes through a function, it also gives it an argument or a parameter, whatever you want to call it, and that's going to be the packet itself. I'm going to go inside of that packet and see if it has a .11 beacon, and the only frames that are going to have a .11 beacon are usually frames coming from routers. So basically, back to the example. Back to the example of, oh, actually, yeah, I can't open this bitch up. It won't let me open it. I'm guessing I done slid that shit to the bottom of my screen and now I can't open it. I don't know how to open it from there. Yeah, no, I can't open it. Damn, what a shame. But anyways, so basically we're seeing if it has a .11 beacon, and that is a certain, what's the word for it? That's a certain layer within the packet that only you send out if you're a router and you're telling other devices that you are an access point and you're able to connect to them. It could go a little bit further than that, but that's really what the main thing is. And then after I do that, I'm looking to see if it has an address, and if it is, I save it. And within that address, I go inside the .11 element, which has other information like the SSID, the signal, the channel it's on, and I store it in here. And I also get the vendor using another library. And then once I do all that, they're gonna be right next to each other. So see, we got the SSID and the MAC along with the vendor. And I don't know what BSSID to use by heart, but I do know the SSID by looking at it, which is aligned with the BSSID. Hopefully that makes sense. Three girls, three girls, and a guy. That is a sus name. I ain't even peeped that. Now I think about it, I do be seeing it around here. Let me rescan on like these results. This tool performs WPA3 or just WPA2. You could do WPA. You could do WPA3 with this because you're doing it to you're sending it to the device itself, not to the router. Now WPA3 is supposed to be stronger against shit like this though, but I know some ways around that. NAT adapter right hardware. Much or how much that costs? You could buy one for I think like $40. You can buy them for about $40. Mine's was $40. I'm finna buy another one because I'm finna get this phone right here and run Linux on it, and I'm finna run a couple scripts on it, and I'm finna get a Wi-Fi adapter for it. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, I like these scan results. Who do you want to attack? Jabari. Okay, nice. It's working though. So we got the target, the total packet sent, and the reason that's being used. And so that means if I just tap this, yeah, I was about to say no way it's gonna work just like that. I gotta tap it a couple times. All right. Why do you say like that, bro? I don't even know how I be saying so I can't even answer that question, my boy. I don't know. I assume it's just because I'm just thinking about a lot of shit at the same time. Nah, either I'm stupid or I need to read more on how to do the deauth tab more because I use my PC basically changing from manage to monitor mode. What? I use my PC basically changing from it. You use your PC while your adapter is on monitor mode. I didn't mean to offend. Nah, you good, bro? I'm not offended. You straight? You good, bro? See, I have two adapters. So I have my other one is on the back of my computer, and it's in managed mode. I use Termix or through Access on my old Sony tablet, and it works most of the time. Okay, cool, interesting. So you said it works most of the time. So what is it like? Like, what's the experience like? And when it comes to typing on the keyboard itself, how does the interface handle that? Because you know it has to move up and shrink so the keyboard can come on the screen. So like, how is all that? Because I've been wondering about that. I'm like, okay, like Linux on a phone, like that's kind of hard to grasp, you know. I won't say it's hard to grasp, but it's like it's interesting, you know. So let me come over here. See, I'm not used to using Linux still. I keep coming down here. I need to make this shit full screen. Actually, what the fuck was I about to do? Oh, I need to go to the UI. And let's make the exit a little bit farther down. So let's exit this and then come back in it. Nice. Deauth attack, crack handshakes, crack handshake, crack handshake singular, not plural. We're not cracking a bunch at the same time. At least not yet. Crack handshake. Scan for networks. Abuse safe networks. Nice. How long you been hacking? I wouldn't really refer to myself as a hacker. I feel like I'm a noob still, but I try to learn I try to learn. But by what I'm doing now, I would say like a few months now. I've been programming since November, so I'll say maybe a little bit after that, like November last year. So maybe like mm, I don't know. It's kind of on. And I say like maybe 4 or 5 months. Cause when I think about it, I have a lot of programs that are red team, like on the red. So like I have a program to where once I'm on your network, I could just do an art poison attack, and nobody will be able to access the internet on that network. Like nobody. And then I have another program that finds vulnerable IPs like thousands in seconds. And then and then that same program will allow you to also do a geo lookup and brute force into the IP, like if they have telnet or yeah, just telnet. I use my PC actually switches from manage to monitor actually, but I got issues when to choose what channel to continue on because I don't get how to know which to choose for real. I can't change my channel on my shit. I don't. From as far as I'm concerned, you can't do that. Well, probably through a third party application, but I'm on a wired connection pretty much all the time, so I never really be doing all that. You feel me? So that's why I never really, you know. Let me change. You can change layout using inline commands in Termix. Yeah, I heard about that too. Is it like weird playing around with it though? Like the keyboard and all that though, like in general? Does this work on WPA3? Yeah, it should work on WPA3 because from my understanding, WPA3 the handshakes is different and they don't really send out. I'm pretty sure they don't really send out management frames, which is how this attack works. But we're basically spoofing our source MAC address as a router and sending it to the devices that's connected to that router. So we're not even touching the router, we're touching the devices on it. So from that understanding of it, it should be good. You know, I have a WPA2 router. I'll get a WPA3 and test it out and see though. What type of attacks work on WPA3 Wi-Fi? You could do an art poison on WPA2 and below. I don't think you could do it on WPA3. On WPA3 you probably can, but I would assume if the router's smart enough, they'll be able to see that, flag it, filter it out maybe. I don't know. It really just depends on how smart the router is, because I don't know. I don't really know too much about WPA3 for real. I'm gonna try to do some more research on it though, for ethical reasons. Yeah, of course, man. That's why I only been attacking my router. I ain't attacking nobody else's. Hey, how do you develop your Python skills over time? Just programming, bro. Programming, my boy. Look. Look. Come over here. 11 hours, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 6. Just program, bro, for like hours. Like when I say hours, I mean like hours and hours and hours and hours. I probably have this right here is damn near close to probably this right here probably like 50 hours. And this is just me doing it on stream like once a week. So I think personally I probably have maybe 1,000 hours of programming. Maybe I'm over exaggerating. I don't know. I feel like I probably do. I don't know for sure though. Watch tutorial, read. They do changes so you're not copying connection. Watch a tutorial or read, then what they do changes so you're not copying code actually. Yeah. I about to say learning how the script learning how the script you're using works is like it's such a crucial thing in my opinion. Alright, so we have this part down. Now I need to add goddamn. Hold on, let me see how it looks when I do it again. I forgot. That makes sense, thanks. You can though from maybe a W lane 0 to W lane mod. Where did you learn your foundation from? Alright, I'm gonna show you. So this is what I used to learn the foundation. So I learned my this is HTML. Hold on. That was me trying to learn some HTML. This, see, I was halfway done. I used this to learn the syntax. So types, conditions, loops, lists, strings, functions, and then I didn't. As y'all can see, I know how to make classes. Yeah, I did not do the classes over here. That's because after a while, I started to have ChatGPT teach me. So I like at first I used to go like, how the fuck do like the way classes and object oriented programming, that shit used to confuse the hell out of me. So like I had ChatGPT explain it to me, and then I was still confused, so I gave up on it. And then I came back like probably like a month later to it. Like I was still programming, but I wasn't using classes. I came back a month later. He explained it to me again, and I tried to do it myself. Still didn't understand it. Tried to do it myself again, and then it started to make sense. So I think that's the best way to learn, in my opinion. Like, just do hands-on, and then once you learn the syntax, and then if you lost, bro, have AI explain that shit to you. Like, I feel like AI is that one teacher that's actually good at learning, or not learning, good at teaching. My bad. I don't know if this is just me, but I've started doing research, and it's way better than AI. Researching, what's way better than AI? Stack Overflow be saving my ass. What do you work as currently? Are you looking again? Yeah, I am. I'm in an internship in cyber, so but from there I'm trying to pivot. Like I'm trying to get into one by the end of the summer actually. So we finna see how that goes. I'm gonna keep y'all boys updated with that though. You feel me? So alright, so we have the menu, input, a sniff. And then let me see if this works. Let me see how many times I could do it. I should probably make it so that way that doesn't. Alright. Let me see how this looks. No, I should probably make it so that way. It's a loud ass notification, bro. God damn. But this shawty just texted me the craziest thing. Alright. For beginners, I say get an old Android device, unlock bootloader, install custom recovery and ROM, run Termx with root privileges and happy hacking. Shit. I'm gonna take that advice, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna get a what was it called? It was something. Hold on, a couple of my friends was telling me there's one OS you could get for Androids. Let me see what it was called. It was called Graphene. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but you could get that on a Pixel 7, a 7 and an 8. So I'm gonna get a 7 and see what's up with that. Cause I kind of want more secure. I want more security over what my phone information anyway. Cause I have an iPhone right now and it's cool, but I feel like I don't have as much control as I want. Is it possible to find the attacker if they spoof their MAC address? If you have no knowledge of how to do so, no. But if you do, then I think there's ways to do it. I never did it myself though. I'm trying to think. Cause on Wireshark, if you don't spoof your MAC address right, then it's gonna show you an actual source address anyway. Cause you have to really spoof it all the way down to layer 2. I don't know how they would do it. There's probably some ways to do it though. I don't know how they would do it though. That's a good question. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that too. Like I just be searching shit up like this, like when I'm not on stream, bro. Like, when I'm really not programming, I just be doing that shit, watching videos about that shit. That is a good question. Then get a burner sim, make a TG account, then don't sell code. Okay, I appreciate that advice, man. How long have you been learning Python? So let's see. I've been learning Python for 7 months. I've been learning for 7 months, my boy. Your videos motivated me. I got my Security Plus, taking Net Plus in 2 weeks, then going to do some home projects, hands-on stuff, try Hat Me, etc. Then Scissor Plus. Any advice for Scissor? Hey, I'm happy I was able to motivate you, man. And good showing on Security Plus. I took my Network Plus and then my Security Plus, so seeing it in reverse, that's what's up. But for the Scissor Plus, any advice? I would say try to make sure that you know, like, let's say you see a script and it's written in Go. Make sure you know, like, how to know if it's written in Go. Like, Go, Bash, fucking PHP, JavaScript, Python. I don't program. I only program in really Python. I know how to write HTML, and then that's really about it for real. So like, it's possible without having to know how to program in those languages, but like just know how to like look at a language and know what language it is, and then know how to read logs, like Wireshark logs. Know how to read that. A SOC analyst, like basically like a SOC analyst, know how to read the Wireshark logs. I can't really remember what else is on the exam. I'm trying to think. I know there's a lot of logs. I'm not gonna lie to you. Try Hack Me has a room for that shit though that I would recommend doing. You ever gonna try languages like C++? Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I've been thinking about that. I was like, cause I don't know which C to use. I don't know if I want to use C, C++, or C#. Cause it's like, it's so many damn C's. I'm like, it's crazy how many C's they got. That shit is mind blowing. Bro, I wish I could pull this up. They need to make it a way to like, there probably is. I had put that shit all the way to the bottom, and now I can't pull it up. Hold on, let me try to pull it up. Maybe it's... Actually, I know exactly how to have it come up. No, I don't. Never mind. Nice, it worked. It worked. And it won't let me close the tab either. I'm gonna have to like force close it, but I wanted to ask me if I want to save it or not. Yeah, that's annoying. I feel like that's a very flawed feature of Windows. speed would definitely be worth it. C++ only needed for A6 router cell switches exploits, I think. Yeah, that's what I heard people be using it for real. But I thought C++ was a high level language though. I need a low level language so that way I can start fucking around with Windows API. Microsoft Paint got sniffed. Shit, the way it's acting right now, sure. Cause I can't move it. Like I need to be able to move it so I could look at it. Like that's ridiculous, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I must have like when I dragged it, put it to the bottom, but damn, Windows need to make a feature to like just open it back up. I feel like that's so flawed. Linux will never, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I failed installing Arch like 4 times and installed Endeavor. Sure, I never installed Arch. I installed Ubuntu and Kali and Parrot. Those are the only ones. I got Ubuntu on my Raspberry Pi, and I'm on Kali right now. Huh? All right. I'm really just doing fuzzing right now, making sure this script won't crash no matter what, or in right circumstances at least. I'm gonna have to put this in the Git repo. Use this to spoof your Mac. Use this to run the script from the environmental variable, unless they use globals. Set monitor mode / listening mode. I don't know why I put listening instead of manage, but I'm gonna just keep it. Sudo list hardware /c network. Yeah. But realistically, if somebody should know to put their shit in monitor mode, if they're gonna run a script to perform layer 2 attacks. I've never used plain Ubuntu, but I use Mint. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Ubuntu is smooth. I'm not gonna lie, I like Ubuntu. I ain't gonna lie, it's like a smoother version of Windows. Like it's smooth as hell. I ain't even gonna lie. I gotta figure out why it does this though. Okay, and then let's launch the attack on my Wi-Fi. Oh shit, it's 8 o'clock. Alright, I'm finna end it soon because I gotta slide to the joint, y'all boys. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, I can't go back to Windows after using the yeah. No, that's real. My laptop, I just put a VM on that. I'm finna see if I could just make that like straight up kernel OS, because I don't want Windows on my laptop at all. It's because it's so crazy how much smoother Linux is, bro. Like, but let's see. So we got my phone, and then let's tap 18 on to make sure it works with these new settings. Oh shit. Launching attack and yep, it's working still. Nice. And it's smooth with it too. Got the lines right here, and then the sent packets up here, and the total sent right here. The reason it's using. Perfect. Now the only thing is to end the attack, I gotta tap Control C. But look, I just tapped it again. See, I have to like tap it multiple times, cause like the class, the function we're using has like a try exception for keyboard errors. So like it instantly catches the error and just keeps going, which is in my downfall in this situation. I'm not gonna lie. That's something I needed to fix. Okay, I remember now. I need to, let me close some of these methods, because I'm not gonna keep scrolling, bro. Target attacker. I need to fix. Yeah, that's why. Because right here, boom. Nice. So we have that set up. Hold on, let me look at the arguments for this. Oh, you could do that? I never knew about this. What the fuck? Alter the default and the true though, so you can only do it with the fucking, with the constant that's the same used in the law. Yeah. Oh, you could do a callback. That's nice. All right, point 3. All right, let's run this script one more time. This the last time, and then it should be good after this. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and push this to. I'm gonna push this to GitHub. I don't like the way that look. I want to take that out. I low-key got OCD, especially when it comes to programming. Like this bit gotta look perfect. Boom. And then let me change the song. I'm gonna get copyright claims like a bit after this stream. I already know. Windows managers are way too smooth. If you configure them how you like, oh, they're smooth if you like. Shit, I need to do that then. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi. VM is better because you can always disable memory protections like ASLR, etc. That's real. I can never get a VM to work on any distro, not gonna lie. Really? What distros have you tried? Okay, who's at your window, bro? I don't know, bro. Like, I was wondering that. That's why I turned. I'm like, who's at my window, bro? I don't know though. I don't know them jets outside. They gone now though. I leave my code for like 2 hours, come back, and it looked like me in the morning trying to say. Hey, bro, you funny as shit. Bro, that's some funny ass shit, bro. Ubuntu Cali, Ubuntu Cali, Ubuntu. No, L Ubuntu Cali, Ubuntu Seed are all good distros for beginners. Okay, and they monitoring you. Shit, they better not be, bro. I don't even know them. I don't even know them people outside, bro. So boom, we got it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and attack. Actually, now that I think about it, it would be cool if you could attack 2 networks at the same time, because you want to be able to attack the 5 gigahertz and the 2.4 gigahertz. Because what if you're on the 5 gigahertz and I'm attacking the 2.4? It looks like when I come back, I'm gonna be adding that feature in. Alright, but anyways, let's go and attack my network. And let's see how it outputs now. I want to know why it... Oh, I just thought about that. Hey, hold on. I'm tweaking. I put my program in reverse. So I wanted it to update every 0.3 seconds. What? Hold on. I feel like I'm just tweaking crazy now. Refresh per second. Refresh every 0.3 seconds. No, I have it right? Refresh every 3 seconds. Refresh every 1 second. I really have no idea. Let's try this out. I need to hurry up so I can eat before I go to the gym. Forgot the VPN. My VPN running strong, my boy. I had my shit running through the US. So after the stream, I need to have that bit go right back through Switzerland. If it works, don't touch it. No, that's real. Bro, there be some days I come back to my code and I'll just be looking at it like, what the fuck? Like, how did I make this? It's rare that happens, but every once in a while that happens. And I'm just like, damn, this is crazy. Oh, there we go. I fixed it. So I had to put it at every 1 second. Maybe I fixed it. I mean, it looks clean to me. So now we got the attack stats down here while the verbose is on. I could turn verbose off too. So let me go on my phone. Yeah, it's working. My phone is offline. Let me go on my laptop. Oh, what I should do is plug back in my Google Home and then from there try to talk to that bit and then that'll tell me what's up. Alright. So cool, we got this, we got it working. The only thing is when I want to end the attack, I tap Control C one time. Still goes, Control C, still going, still going, still going. So I'm gonna have to like modify the class. You see how many times I had to hold it down for it to stop? Like, that's crazy. It's because of this. This is capturing the try except there. It's not going through here. It's going through in here. Can I go inside of it? I can't even edit it. I can't edit it, bro. Oh, I could use send P fast to send them faster, but either way, they're doing good. Alright, cool. Alright, y'all boys. So this is what we got so far in this program. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of it on my phone and put it on the ground. If y'all boys wanna follow me on the ground, that link is in the description. So y'all can stay updated with my projects in between videos and streams. Alright. And then bro, this nigga said the funniest thing. I leave my code, come back, it's looking like me chopped the shit. That was funny, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Alright. Everything's great. It's good though. I'ma see y'all boys later though. I would say I'm gonna stream on Thursday, but Thursday I'm finna go to the library. Thursday I'm finna be at the library. But Sunday I'm gonna be streaming again on Sunday. Upcoming Sunday. So I'm gonna see y'all boys later though. I appreciate y'all for joining. That's love, and hope y'all have a good one though. I'm gonna see y'all boys later though.